that when you say this fine face, and today I go extra mile for now because say I don't mean I said the regular face. I put lash. My God, it's not easy. I'm blinking.
Hey, good.
Only me they find myself inside here where AC day.
Peter, why you just laughing?
No, lashes where they found the face. You know,
Only
say
me they find myself.
now long lashes.
I rub a row for mouth just for una. So you know, so na very very serious something on top. ChookMouthGeng, nothing serious.
Just vibes.
And I don't say me I need to work alone. I get papi specting.
You know what to magbo.
Oh God, I like
I
this.
go see me for dollar face and I go see.
And of course, I get one sweet delicious. God, if this babe stand up, I said we don't close show.
Chocolate.
If she stand up at the end, so when she just sit down, she sit down. Kemi, what's up, baby?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Okay.
Now we dey run am. Now we.
Oh, waiting.
Waiting.
Drop matter. And Lagos, I get with me. I usually call her Chinese restaurant. Dayo,
No. Don't worry. Based on the way she did introduce me, I'm not going to talk.
Okay.
Let's see where certificate don't be help am.
Dayo, how
About
are
the
you?
history and the relations.
Don't be annoyed.
In the work as videographer.
I'm not raise hand. I forgive you the hand. I don't give you
You
the
don't
hand.
worry.
Life has happened to you. Nigeria has happened to you.
But you know, beautiful people on top this table like this. I want me to talk about something where don't become a norm for us. Before this thing that they happen. But you know, as time they go on, people they more exposed. Civilization they crawl, they enter in. This thing can be normal way of life. And this thing an open relationship. And personally, I could just drop on real quick. I don't believe in that thing, but you know, I the try I'm open to now. So I want first of all know your opinion about open relationship. Make I start with you, Kemi.
In my own terms, open relationship is something that you're not hiding anything from your partner.
Okay.
Like you about to say, for somebody that wants to sing. So the explanation of that thing that I just dropped now is dead body don't need to hide from someone that want to bury it.
Wisdom too much.
So thank you. So what I'm trying to say is, you have a partner, instead of hiding or cheating or saying, baby, I'm coming back, I want to quickly go and buy something down the street, but then you want to go and see your side shake. Instead of doing that, just go, because your babe already knows that it is open. She can cheat, I can cheat, everybody can cheat.
Okay.
You can have a moment of weakness. Hello, Uncle Dayo, don't shake head for me.
I like saying that you don't shake head already.
For me.
Make she learn first, okay.
We're not lying to ourselves here. I'm not pretending that I'm gonna stand strong when I know that nothing is standing anywhere.
But something can stand here.
Even Obi away Simo will start or don't sleep.
Exactly. See what I was saying? Hello. Even Dekule God is calling people that come to me, Molo. Why is he doing that?
Okay.
And Tishimi has seen it. I mean, hello.
So instead of making just they hide, just open and talk.
Just let it be open.
Zayo, wait till you get to talk. You don't they shake head already.
Yeah, because now the way the kind of terms we always they use, explain and define our number one, our indiscipline. So before I dive into that one, Shey, I want to ask you, Shey, you feel the open relationship? Oh, you didn't want like this?
Oh, we go come. I want to get your definition.
You can.
Shey,
You
I
can.
know we go come to that one. I just want to get your definition.
So down to my own definition, in the sense that you're talking about open relationship. Do you get number one? What's relationship without commitment?
Okay.
So you are committed to somebody, having the thought of another person in mind, either for whatever reason you define it as. In the sense that you they talk, say this kind of person, or you want this not the person where you they date, sure you get, but you get another person where you want to share your body out. Oh my God! As a Yoruba man, where I be man think come again. Say, babe, yeah, you know I love you. I say yes, you love me, I love you too. Sure you get, but I'm coming. I'm going for a quickie. Where you know that my neighbor that I told you about, I think I like him, so I'm going for a quickie. Papi, to help me think.
Okay.
Because your brain, your thinking, it is limited.
Wow.
So you date relationship, you know me say person no fit get extra things where they get outside, where you know fit provide. Okay, what if that quickie wish you want go do outside, you know fit give them? Maybe your prick no need to the stand.
So make I can ask you. You can't bring
So
us
it mean sorry, my love. It means say if it they open relationship, they run one or two things outside, where you know say this your current partner no fit give you. If you don't get money, that person partner with the outside, if you get money, I come back bring put food on the table. No, it's not for your benefits. So that's an advantage of open relationship. Benefit, advantage where you know people for table. I'll go as I go carry and come.
So now everything we just talk now.
Yes.
I don't pack all that words.
Yes.
I don't put them for table. I won't rearrange them one by one.
Oh, yeah.
Firstly, they talk say open relationship is this is that.
Yes.
Say if you did this relationship, what if?
Yeah.
Why you go do something at first if you did sure say this person will give you all?
Some people get attached
Now
to people.
why?
Hold on. I want to answer that question.
No, wait, no. You just
Some people
you
they
no.
attached. I feel they attached to you now. I don't feel leave you, but I don't say you don't feel so for all my problem. Where you
just
why-
attached
but-
because
don't
of
get attached to you.
particular reason.
So that way, it has to be open relationship.
You just define what you want that way. I know say this babe where I deal with now for knack, I don't get anything. This other babe where I deal with, I know say if I go aside, that's for it. Do you get? But adding the word open relationship, it is. I need.
That is the essence now.
Probably na me no
Make I
understand.
just
Probably na me no
Make I
understand
just calm
that.
down. Make I
No,
calm
no,
down.
that's-
Make I just kuma drop the topic of the day because we never even drop the topic. I just want sample of
Whenever grand
open
biz.
relationship.
My
My
face-
mind don't they smell.
Because
Everybody
my
know the
face,
boy.
because my face don't dey strong. You guys are go.
Wait
find
first, calm down,
particular
calm down.
fight
face me,
through.
face me.
The topic where I want me to really discuss now. Shey this open relationship of a thing, na excuse to cheat. Now be the main topic. I will
talk
start
am.
with you, with my
Talk
friend.
am.
Well, to cheat now, even if you never even dey open relationship, people dey cheat.
Okay.
2 days ago, I still. I think I got the point now. But honestly, I think say no be really excuse now like the normal thing. If you dey open relationship, now ticket to do anything. So I won't call it an excuse. Now leeway, natural leeway. So when I call it excuse, I don't call them excuse. I call them like permission. Now like say so. Now like leeway. I won't
Okay.
call it excuse. The way if you put excuse, it could be like say you dey use that one tag say now that reason why I don't go cheat. Being open relationship don't already give you permission, leeway to do anything. So I won't like the word excuse. I would like permission.
Because make I quickly drop some. So
Yeah.
people will argue, say the reason why most people they actually go into this open relationship now because they want cheat and they want cheat with their full chest. Because I mean, you they tell me say make we be in a relationship where we say I go feed a knack another person where you sabi.
I beg, I want to ask you a
Sorry.
question.
Hold on,
If
guys.
it is-
Sorry, my love. That thing
Oh,
we
God.
talk now, a serious misconception. When you date relationship, you date with anybody, the person we date with, they feel some needs. Some needs na spiritual needs.
Okay.
Some need na financial. Some motivational need. So sometimes it's not even sexual need. We say, okay, now because I want the knock any and now I got the relationship. I feel they with Kemi like we date now. We they help ourselves.
If you dey with Kevin today, do wetin?
We they feel
You
some.
dey do wetin?
Kevin, very don't
You
why.
dey do wetin? Today
Okay, we're
do.
not supposed to talk now.
Okay,
But you get my point,
wait,
yeah?
wait,
I get your
So
point.
it's not only sexual needs.
I know
wait.
disclaimer.
Yeah.
Is that your
No.
Okay,
let-
Kevin,
let-
make I hear
let
what
Kemi-
you want to
I
talk.
want to suck in their energy. First.
All right.
Yeah.
Energy will go. So, why you trying?
But we should.
We want me
strong.
down
now.
now.
Strong,
I
what
don't
suck the energy.
understand.
Kevin, make we hear you.
Continue.
Basically,
Yeah.
this open relationship thing, it's not a open ticket to be cheating.
Okay.
Do you get? I feel the real reason why it's there, like Papito said, there are some needs that your partner can't provide. That's one.
I still try to
Two.
understand.
Wait. Two. There are some times that you have a moment of weakness. So in that time when you have a moment of weakness, and you already know that cheating is not a red flag in your relationship. Hello, have you done anything wrong?
I like that idea of moment of
Have you done
weakness.
anything
Wait,
wrong?
I don't understand how we they restructure these things to suit ourselves. Personally, that's what I feel.
No, that's so like
Wait.
What do you
Life,
think?
like,
That's so
why
like
would you
Wait,
go and
abeg,
cheat
wait.
and then I would find out and start getting angry?
Wait, abeg,
On a
I
normal
want
day
you a
when
question.
cheating is not a red flag for
Abeg,
me.
abeg,
What if
abeg.
that?
Oh, not a
sorry,
deal
sorry,
breaker.
hold on.
Abeg, not a deal
Can
breaker.
make I just drop this
It's
one for you?
just
What if that your
sex.
partner now go cheat or go meet another person
Yeah.
where you know and the person you can't dey grow
Abeg,
they
I
attached to that person
More than
they
you.
committed to that person more than you.
That is the disadvantage of open relationship.
I
We're not talking you don't get your own bad
wait,
side.
wait,
You get your own
wait,
bad
wait.
side.
Bad
You feel
side,
lose
yes.
partner.
Question.
But when
Wait,
you know
abeg,
that
wait.
you're
Close
committed
door
to that
relationship
partner.
if you lose partner.
The
we are-
question.
Exactly.
The
So
question.
what are we-
The question.
what are we hiding?
Papito, sure you go hear me. The question. Wetin be the limit to open relationship when you know say yo?
Bro, there's
I
no
can't take
limit.
this.
There's no
That's one.
limit.
That's one. Then
Because
don't-
love
wait,
in itself
wait,
has
wait.
no limit.
Wait,
Love is
just-
encompassing.
Wait.
I feel fall in love with sorry.
Hey!
If I do well, so the thing now is when you're talking about open relationship as an excuse to cheating and blah blah blah, there's one thing I realized years ago that human being we will always define our hypocrisy. Shey you get? It's as simple as that. So it's just as simple as, yo babe, I love you. Do you get? But you can't give me everything I want. So I want to test waters with everybody.
Okay.
Do you get? You don't tell your babe that one. Your babe don't agree, right?
Go on, I dey hear you.
So the moment when you tell your babe that one, when she don't agree, do you get? You can start to dey do various things. That's number one. Because of your selfish need, either as a lady or as a guy. Because you don't know when that your other partner no go fit take am again.
Okay.
That moment where you dey talk, say you dey open relationship, you dey enjoy am. Your other partner for beginning, she said they enjoy am. Babe, why you just coming? Do we do that now? I was with blah blah blah.
Because you're expecting she understands. Say
You get? You don't do am. The moment when she no fit take am again, wetin you want or wetin the other guy want to. Number one, you don't say love is encompassing, but love sweet. If you dey share am with the person wey reciprocate the love, and una to dey that agreement of say una love each other. The mistake we always do with this open relationship of a thing is we feel because I'm cool with it, I can always find someone that is cool with it until the person is not cool with it again. But that moment,
I won't make you land. I will just use one line.
Wait.
Finish
Make
it.
him land and then I will give and come back.
Wait, the problem now with people wey dey feel say open relationship dey nice, e dey okay or e dey good now. Say most of the people wey dey talk am, how many of them dey the open relationship?
Thank you for that last way talk.
Okay,
Ada,
write down.
let me tell you something.
Tell me.
To be inside open relationship, no be beans. No be my. Now people will get their hearts to do them. That's why the person where I think say, hold on, my love. The person where I think say, if they run open relationship effortlessly, na Baba God. Do you know Baba God they open relationship with everybody? No, make a break them down for now. No, make a break them down.
Use human do example. Don't use Baba God. We don't talk about
I
human.
really didn't choose Baba God.
You know why I talk this thing?
Yes.
Hold on. You know why I talk this thing?
Yeah.
First of all, love, to feel the depth of love, the inner part of love, na spiritual. See, if I dey love you on the physical, things will happen if you break us easily. Ordinary mind like you no go fit understand. That's why I tell you, say now only God within the spiritual sphere, feel help everybody, gather everybody under the same atmosphere called earth, love everybody equally. And some people in the love past others because that person when you draw closer to him, he go show more love. The Father you have from God, the Father he is from you with the love. Now only God feel experience or showcase or express open relationship effortlessly. Human being no get the power to do so. That will not mean say you no good.
I dey tell you say you no good. You know why you no good? Because even this same God where you talk, Bible talk say God is a jealous God. God. Wait.
Thank you for that line.
Wait.
God
No. Wait.
Oh.
This God where you talk say
Don't get me started.
God where you talk say yes, he love everybody unconditionally or he dey open relationship with everybody. But why God no dey open relationship with the same person where they taunt everybody for this set? Since he create everybody, Satan.
No, that's best known to God.
That's best
Then that means that means under this context, that example that you just made, it is not what we are talking about.
Exactly.
Because I beg no vex. Wait, sorry, Kemi. In the sense that now the fact what you just said now is you just told me that human beings are not capable of open relationship.
I know she
that
not
means
capable.
wait.
That person will understand the spirituality where they there.
That means it means just one thing, Papito.
Yes.
You get it is not good. One, it is not reasonable. Two, number three, at the beginning, it is sweet, but nobody fit tell me say if you continue on.
All right, thank you very much. Kemi,
People get into open marriages, so I don't understand what you are saying.
Give me the numbers.
I
What
don't
is the
understand
statistic?
what you are
What is
saying.
the statistic of people that get into open marriages?
The statistics of people that get into open marriages,
close up marriages,
they are doing
it doesn't-
better
it
than
doesn't-
people that
it doesn't
close
end
up
well.
marriages.
Okay,
Instead of
make
breaking
that
up and
man
having
calm
that
down,
bond.
calm down. Never reach
Close up
to
marriages,
you.
you get.
It never reach to you, but
because number
calm
one,
down.
because number one, you dey close up relationship, marriage, you know work. Now imagine, say, I watched one movie some years ago. Shey you get the day both of them dey open relationship, they dey open marriage. Shey you get man come talk say man doing your own threesome, the wife bring girl come, the three of them enjoy am. Woman won't come do her own threesome. She don't tell the husband say blah blah blah. Wetin the husband expect? He expect say another girl. When he go dey bed, the babe don't dey naked for bed. The guy don't dey naked for bed. The husband pursue the guy. Why? But they dey open marriage. No, wait. You see, this way you talk, This way you talk.
That your way.
You
This
don't
is where
understand
that
something.
one does not.
This guy don't understand what you
Hold on, calm down.
No.
Calm down.
No.
I want
Under marriage,
God.
being open.
Make
It
calm down,
is
calm
the
down.
same since we are talking about open relationship and open marriage. You get for you to have the confidence to bring another person that is not in your marriage to your bed. To your matrimonial bed. That means you and your husband have certain understanding.
Wait.
Yeah.
We're not talking. See,
That
even in
understanding
open
now.
marriages and open
You
relationships,
don't feel that because say you don't
There's
get balls.
respect.
There is.
Yeah,
There's
tell me-
respect and there's commitment.
Tell me
Now,
the kind
let
of
me
respect.
explain,
I don't
okay?
understand the kind of respect you're talking about.
Let
Make me understand.
explain.
Yeah.
So for those that are in open marriages, they are married. They already have the idea that we don't want cheating to be a red flag in our marriage. We don't
That
want
is
to
a deal
break
breaker.
up. Exactly. We don't want it to be a deal breaker. So what do? Okay, you can have your moment of weaknesses, but please, when I'm calling you or when I need you around, you show up.
That is
Because
not
you are
commitment.
committed.
That is not commitment.
That's
No. You can't be committed. Tell me that is commitment. No, you can't tell me that is commitment.
Calm down.
I beg, no, I will calm down. You can't tell me that
Okay.
is commitment to me. You know what that is? Do you know what that is? That is a proper excuse. So you are willing to be available.
God.
You are willing to be available at whatever time you feel comfortable. It's about your own pace. That is what you just said now. That is what you just said. That's what you just said.
Okay. Cut.
This case may
Calm
be
down.
adjourned. It might be
we
adjourned.
get limited time and emotions on the fly already. We dey open relationship for this stage
Oh,
right now.
no, use that word open relationship.
Okay,
now.
calm down. Kemi, make I ask you this question. You think that this open relationship they build if it build trust and if it make the partners bond? Quick one.
Yes,
You
it
think so?
can.
Why?
Yes.
Why you think so?
So because at that moment they know that okay,
That your own beat person.
that
Calm down.
wait now.
Kemi, I dey hear you.
At that moment, you know that okay, fine. Although we are committed to each other,
Okay.
I really want to do this with you, but I would make mistakes. So I'm letting you know beforehand that I would make mistakes. So when I make mistakes, it does not mean that I will not put my mistakes as priority above you.
Hey,
You are
my
saying
lord,
from-
please, can I
would-
answer that
would-
question?
So
Another angle.
Gradually, you
Okay.
guys start to get it. The guy was trying to use an example of a movie. I have another movie example too that is based on someone's
drop
true
the
life
trailer.
story.
So the deal
Yeah,
is
it's the same thing.
So the deal is say this one will help us
Build trust and
build
bond.
trust. Thank you.
With partners.
If you date normal relationship, and you won't come out, you won't go do shino, right? You go lie for your partner, right? And by maybe you just stay unlucky, your partner can't figure out, say, you lie for him. Then it can't damage the trust we get for that partner
Okay.
for normal relationship.
Okay.
But for open relationship, your partner knows, see, but nothing they bind us together as much. Not only this food, they keep us together. I feel go knock anywhere. So if I tell you, say, I dey go somewhere, you no go doubt me because you know, say, yes, indeed. no man.
where I'm
She dey
going.
knock outside anyway. So the trust is even stronger in open
Like you
relationship.
already know
than
where the person
close.
is
Okay,
going.
so-
Not
so-
that
so
it's
there's
blind.
no need to hide
Okay,
anything.
How does
Never
that
ask
help
you,
you?
never
How
ask
would
you.
you
Wait,
feel
I
in
never
know
ask
the
you.
case for
Now two
clarity's
against
sake.
one.
You believe
Never
say it
ask
dey
me.
bond
Yes,
and
it
you
dey
so
bond.
believe
Yes,
so. Dayo, make
it
we hear your
works.
opinion for this
Thank
one.
The trust goes strong
Thank
more.
you.
I mean, make una allow that you're dropping.
Wait,
Make
wait.
we hear your own
So,
for this one, Dayo.
wait, the first thing I say, if they open relationship with the person, we una talk, say una dey open and una dey committed. Shey you get. So that means if you come out,
Open relationship is not committed.
Wait,
So certain things. It's not.
What?
It's not
What?
entirely.
You just said that. But you just said
It's
that.
not. Hold on. You're not getting it.
But
This
you
guy's
just
not getting
said
it. Hold on, he's
no,
not
but
getting
you
it.
just said it.
The commitment is not all rounder. I like for
So
example,
just
now-
for some
See,
certain
just
things.
Thank you.
Exactly.
For some
Wait, now.
certain
Yes.
things.
That person on
Wait.
certain
Wait.
things.
So what you're trying to tell me now is when you use the word love for someone and you want to fulfill everything that you want to tick the box for love.
It's even great.
Wait, come on.
That's another
come
question.
on.
Now before you answer, make
Wait,
I
come
quickly
on.
ask. Make I quickly ask them because they don't drop their point. You believe say love dey inside open relationship? This thing called love, it dey for inside open relationship.
Yes.
Yes,
To a
no.
degree.
If I
Yes.
both of you, if I both of you,
You know why?
which one should be that one?
You know why? Even the close relationship, or whatever you want to call it, the opposite. You can't love or no person finish.
No,
Bam.
wait.
All right,
wait.
that your turn.
And,
That your
and
turn.
even in the
Wait,
close
wait,
relationship,
wait,
love was
wait.
never enough.
Wait.
It was never enough to sustain the
Imagine
relationship.
there's love, there's money, there's this, there's that.
So many
You know,
factors.
Wait.
So many
Don't pile all
factors.
those things on your chest when you can.
You see, I beg,
Right,
I beg, no vex. The fact that you guys are putting the word open to a relationship is what is giving me headache.
I can't
And
use
the fact,
painkiller.
wait, and the fact that
Panadol.
you have Panadol. That Panadol, now the person with the open relationship go need and pass. You know why? Because the moment when you tell person, you say normal, you don't care. Say normal, she don't talk, say she don't deal with that person. I don't care. Sure you get. But the day if that person no deal with you, you won't tell me so you don't going to get second guesses of where the person tell you.
Because
say,
personally,
they don't really lay down rules.
wait,
This is
personally,
what understand what they happen.
wait,
I don't understand what they happen.
Wait. No. I understand now. Wait,
it don't be like
wait. I understand
You
now.
don't be like,
Wait,
hold on. You don't be like, you collect work. Hold on. Wait now. You collect work now. On Thursday, today off. So on Thursday, I make your team look on. I wonder what Ada is doing at this time. On Thursday, you know she's off. It's an agreement.
Wait.
So whenever your partner not there with you, know say she don't do
But
this.
There are
I
two
get-
different things.
I
Wait,
get
there are
some-
two different things.
If your mind make up, no fit stand down. That's your business.
You see, there are two different things in the sense that,
Alright.
yo, what's up? This is the babe, but it is nothing more than sex. That is
That's
understandable.
what I get with there for
No
this
strings
one.
attached.
I
No
get-
strings
hold on.
attached is
Hold on.
different.
Wait, I get
No
I get
strings
issues.
attached
That
is
you're
different.
hold on.
Yeah.
I get issues when you say love. This is my own opinion now. Love
Don't
they
get
for
it.
inside open
Open
relationship.
relationship.
Ada, what is love to you? Hold on. What is love to you?
Love na how go put make I break am down for pidgin my own way. Love covers all things. So if personally I love you, I no one share you.
That means you're going to
If
put the person
I love
first.
you at all time,
You put the
you don't be
person
saying you're my
first.
priority, but the way I take myself, na so I take you.
Yeah.
So I don't feel day I dey imagine say person when I claim say I love, they out there they knack person to my own knowledge.
Or the person get issue. You don't
You
fit tell me.
you see,
You don't fit tell me.
I beg you.
Okay.
This is the way you talk now. Pure theory. Man, take you to practical,
Okay,
right?
make I hear the
Let's be
practical.
pragmatic about this whole thing. Now, you say if you love
Papito
person,
talk
hold on.
English.
If you say you love person for the entire team. Suppose now you love person who is short like me.
Okay.
And maybe hold on. I mean realistic now.
Yeah.
And maybe for example, maybe my prick no long enough.
Okay.
To satisfy you in bed.
Okay.
So now you go fit manage that weakness, that inadequacy.
Papito, I see
that
you
flaw.
say you short.
Before she come
And
meet you.
I imagine before I even agree, I imagine waiting your prick go be like.
Probably
You don't
like
even-
this.
don't do that. Don't do that.
Wait.
You imagine what?
Hello, don't.
Wait.
I'm not trying to say I imagine your own. I dey talk based on wetin you tell me. So for me to see you, I don't say you short. I don't imagine, I don't weigh everything, run scale for my head, blah, blah, blah. That's so you go with that. So even if I never
But
see am.
you will be surprised what you will see.
And then,
It's very big.
when I can't
Very
start
big.
when I can't start today in relationship with you, I supposed to handle everything when I say inside.
But wait,
So now you're telling me now.
Now my
the problem why I
decision
get
to
now.
date
Wait,
you.
wait,
That
wait.
is why I tell
wait,
you.
Wait,
see,
wait, 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 wait.
Hold on.
No.
Now why I tell you see.
The
now why
problem
tell
when
you
I
see-
get now,
hold
eh,
on.
Now why I tell you say you as a whole now you go fit manage whatever inadequacy will come through with the
Now
relationship.
wetin love dey about now.
Thank you. Now why second option day for people who no be like you, we no fit manage
open
that
relationship. There's
Open
nothing like open
option.
relationship.
So now,
they
so
are
if what I don't
flings.
fit get
They are
from
friends
you.
with benefits.
So, hold
they are
on,
one night
hold
stand.
on.
There's
So,
nothing like open
it's
relationship.
not-
Open
hold on.
relationship.
So
is
because I don't
big
fit get a
excuse to
particular
cheat.
thing, you no go learn.
It's
You no go learn work.
not.
Now why you no progress?
Oh yeah, plan.
The reason why, okay, so now because I go talk, say I don't fit get certain things from certain pleasure, satisfaction from you, so I could just die. I don't enjoy that satisfaction again from any other
It will
person
get
apart from
boring.
you. Life will get boring.
It will get boring
That way you
and
don't.
you will
that way,
leave.
okay, one line. I got one line. That way you don't
Leave.
enjoy your relationship. You are enduring a relationship.
I know.
I
And
just-
the
I
final
just-
line, we
wait.
get
Endured.
less than 2
Man,
minutes to
talk.
wrap up.
It's
Final
not
line, we get
supposed
2
to
minutes
be
to wrap
endured.
up.
Wait, I think the problem that you guys have now that is limiting the level of understanding you should have about open relationship and commitment or whatever it is number one, you don't go into something that you know would limit your self space. If you want flings, go for it.
Okay, fine.
If you want friends with benefit, go for
for
it.
it. So
don't tell me
with
that.
everything-
Don't tell me that there is love in open relationship. Are you trying to tell me that same person that you can't share your hall with is that same person?
But now-
that is wait.
now when you-
that-
Alright,
that's
Zion, thank you. I don't
Your whole
say, but we
H
don't
factor.
get time again, and we need to wrap up. We
Yeah.
don't get time. So for Kemi and Papito, I
Yes.
believe say open relationship.
It get love.
19 first of all, it get love.
And
Secondly,
it go build trust.
And it
And
go
it
build trust.
last longer.
Trust.
cap.
And it lasts longer.
then for Zion, a capital cap.
Cap. This one a
Give
cap
me
inter. This one a
instruction
cap
at
zone. Caps.
Tags, I'm back on that.
Okay. That's how we'll take end today.
We gonna continue. Don't say we end there. We don't
Okay,
end
no
this kind
vex.
thing.
No vex.
Like open
Part two
relationship is
coming.
nothing.
After we
Open
finish the
relationship
fight,
is nothing.
men are
Put
calm
their
down.
bar
Men are calm down.
down.
After we finish this one, we go end down outside this open table here because
Yes.
as I dey see Dayo,
You know
we
him.
ready to drag Kemi.
And the
in.
next one, what they going to do? I will carry all my girls where they do the open relationship.
I will carry my guys. When
So I beg.
only
So
you.
They
people,
don't dey fight.
men are calm
Hello.
down. Men are calm down. Make we wrap up. So people, I beg. Men, I watch this video, subscribe, download. Help us to make we dey bring out better content
Comment
for una.
and abuse both
Open
of them.
relationship. I dey ask you where they watch this video right now. You believe say na 18.
comment.
Drop your comments.
Comment and abuse both of
You
them.
dey
Comment,
inside.
drag them.
Comments. From
Feel
this end, we love you. ChookMouthGeng, nothing serious.
Just vibe.